Good day to all. Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have a new listing. This is 8,012 square meters along Concrete Road, Barangay Road, located in Mabini, Cebu City, the Mountain Barangay in Cebu City. So approximately 30 minutes drive from Pitos or Talamban, Cebu City. So meaning kung mo drive ka from Talamban or from Pitos, it's around 30 minutes drive. Then connecting na po ni siya guys, ari dapit agion sa Konsolasyon and Liloan. Pwede siya diha agion. And this land has two portions. The other one is this one, which is located at the elevated side of the road. So naibabaw gamay sa kalsada. So kadtong ibabaw, you can see many trees above still included on the property. So this is around 5,000 square meters. 5,000 na siya guys. Approximately lang ha kay kini man gud natunga sa karsada, meaning the road is traversing to the property. And this is the other side. This is around 3,000 square meters. So kini nga side guys, mga 3,000 square meters. Kuan ra na siya kanang estimate ra ni nato ha kay kining 8,012 square meters gikuan naman ni siya, gikuhaan naman na sa karsada, meaning it was neck already with the road. Before it's more than, it's around more than sa 8,000 square meters. I think it's around almost 1 hectare. But there is a road, so they have already reconstruct that title. So mao na hitabo guys. The property is really a good property, you know, in the upper portion or upper barangay in Cebu City. It's really a cold place. Bugnaw ba? Then there are several coconut trees and mango trees as improvements of this property. Okay, the price is 1,000 pesos per square meter. 1,000. So let's say negotiable. If ever you are really interested, let's talk to the owner and ask for negotiation. Kaya mao ni latest price nila, okay? Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.